Yes, another day, another video. I finally have my package I've been waiting for. So as you can see, I got my track meet piece right here. I got my Chariots of Fire, another track meet piece right here. And to add to this collection, we have, let's check it out together, the bucket hat. Bang. Let's make sure I got the right size. Small, all right. Yep. With bucket hats, you gotta make sure you get the right size, because on a windy day, this shit'll blow right off the top of your head. Let's check it out. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. It looks like the cover of a comic book, which I like. Very, very nice. As you can see, you got the inside with that green and the big POLO block letters. Very, very nice. So they got a pair of shorts and they have a pair of kicks. I don't think I'm gonna go for the shorts. I might grab them later on just to add to the collection. But I can't see myself wearing these three pieces with the shorts, because the shorts have the same all over pattern as this hat right here. So that might be a little much. Like if I wore this bucket hat with a white tee and then those shorts, cool. But, or this shirt, this bucket hat, and a regular pair of shorts. Maybe like a khaki pair of cargos or something like that. A black pair of Dickies, something like that. That would work. But to go golf shirt, windbreaker, bucket hat, and shorts all together, nah, I won't do that. I won't do that. I do outfits where it is really bright and the top and the bottom is matching and it's really loud. But I think with this collection, because you got the all over pattern, it's just a little too much. Very, very dope collection. I might get the shorts, but I'd have to break up my pieces and I wouldn't be able to wear all my pieces in this collection at the same time, which is something I don't like to do. When I cop pieces in a collection, I like to cop pieces that I can wear all together at the same time. Anything I can't wear in one outfit, I kind of leave it out. But with this collection, I might have to change that up and cop pieces that I don't plan to wear all together, but still belong to the same theme. Yep, to be continued. It's got a nice little, it's not stitched in there. It's got a nice, it's not painted. It's almost like it's glued on. You see that? Real nice. All right, I will see y'all next video. Rest in peace to MF Doom. Peace.